In an earlier video I opened these Maxell mini discs, and this purple one was one I've been using since, and I also found in my collection of used mini discs this purple one. Now, apart from the back, which is black on the Maxell mini disc and purple on this mini disc, they look exactly the same design there, same ridges there, exactly the same on the back. But this one on the right is branded as Sharp, and it makes me wonder whether the mini discs were produced by one company and then they were branded for individual what I would have assumed was the manufacturers, but who knows who actually manufactured these discs. So they're even the same, even down to the Made in England stamp. So nowadays these would be made in China or something like that. But that's the same mould by the looks of it as that one, but they've used black plastic on this one and purple plastic on this one. So the one with the purple back is the Sharp, and the one with the black back is the Maxell one. So I don't know whether Maxell made them and then sold them to Sharp, rebadged with the Sharp name, or Sharp made them, or there was some third-party manufacturer who just distributed them to the companies like Maxell and Sharp. My guess is Sony made their own because they had big manufacturing plants in China, I guess, or Japan I think. So if anybody knows and was around in those days and has any information about who actually physically produced the physical medium, if you could let me know, that would be great. Another thing I'm interested in is these are an 80 and these were 74. The disc is the same. Is it just the way they were formatted when they were pressed? That's another thing I'd like to know. Or you don't really press them, but when they were manufactured, are there more tracks or sectors on the 80s? So if you've got any information at all, please leave the information in the comments, because I'd love to find out. Thanks very much.